Hey guys! Today I am going to do a tutorial for you on the song Burn by Ellie Goulding. So I've put this song in the YouTube channel as a play along, but it kind of needs a little bit of practice before you go ahead and play it with the video. So here's what you're going to do. The entire chord progression, the entire pattern for the entire song is the same thing. It is A minor to F to C to G. So it's those four chords in that order for the entire song. What makes it tough is that the song moves pretty quickly. So you're going to need to be able to move between those four chords pretty easily. So before you even sit down with the play along video, my recommendation is to just sit down with those four chords and practice going through that progression over and over. So you would just start with A minor, go to F, go to C, go to G, go to A minor, then to F, then to C, then to G. Now that C to G switch is going to be the tough part. That's going to be the part that's probably going to stop you up a little bit. So even if you just have to go like C to G a few times, C, G, do that a couple times if you have to. But what you want to be able to do is comfortably go A minor, F, C, G, and go back, A minor, F, C, G. Okay, so let's try just that pattern 4 times in a row. I'm going to put it up on the screen, and we're just going to do one strum on each one, okay? So let's do one strum each. Ready? 2, 3, 4. And A minor, F, C, G, back to A minor, and F, C, G, one more time, A minor, F, C, G. Good. I said 4, we only did 3. But that's really what you want to be able to do. Before you move on to anything else, just be able to play A minor, F, C, G. Pretty good, like in a loop, okay? Now, when you start playing the song, I recommend just do that one down strum the whole way through at first, because then when you are ready to kick it up a notch, I'm going to teach you kind of a different strum pattern. But as you're doing it, you can just do one strum. If we're doing, we don't have to worry about nothing, 'cause we got the fire and we're burning one hell of something. And then one strum, they're gonna see us from outer space, light it up, like we're the stars of the human race. And that's good enough. If you can just do that, try playing through the song like that. Now, if you want to kind of go to the next level and kind of do a different strum pattern, this is a little tricky, but you're going to do basically like triplets. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the chord progression won't change. It's still A minor, F, C, and G. But then what you can do is kind of do 3 strums each time. So, if I do the second verse and I do A minor, B. And you just keep with that A, F, C, G. And you can keep with the down strums if you want to. So it's just a way to kind of kick it up if you want to kind of play around with that rhythm a little bit. But really, as long as you can get that loop of A minor, F, C, G, then you're in good shape. If you want to challenge yourself, you can go ahead and try those down strums. Let's try just 2 sets of the down strums together with the sets of 3. So if I put it up on the screen, same pattern, 3 strums each. All right, 1, 2, 3, A minor. 1, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, G, 2, 3. So when the lights turn down, they don't know can do that if you want. But you don't have to. You can just stick with one strum down. A minor, F, C, G. All right, hopefully that helped. Make sure you get the one pattern down, and once you've got it, you are ready to play the song. So this is one of my favorites. It's just kind of that uplifting, put you in a good mood song. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you have fun playing Burn. It's one of my favorites. Have a great day and keep